Don't give a fuck if you're involved, cause I'm bout it if you bout it, yeah. Don't act like you are doing a favor, but honestly I swear you're my savior, girl. And I don't know if I'll see you later, so I'm bout it if you bout it, yeah.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel.
Hello if you're new.
I'm Ivy.
And I'm Rainy.
And you already know what's going down by the title. We're playing Super Smash Bros.
Yeah, it's not gonna be fun. I suck at Super Smash Bros.
She's so low energy about it. Oh my god. Get excited.
I literally suck at Super Smash Bros. And I'm about to get my ass beat the whole time.
Not even, because she be beating me all the time. Don't even shake your little fat head.
I promise I'll beat her one time out of the whole game.
Most of the times, we can't even get near each other to hit each other. For some reasons, our controllers and then when our players will stay like right here and be swinging and doing whatever, and we don't even hit each other. It's annoying. So, but hopefully it'll be fun and funny for y'all.
Yeah, hopefully it's good.
Yeah.
Hopefully I beat some ass, but I doubt it.
If not, if it doesn't go well, we'll switch to Mario Kart. That way she can win and she'll be happy and she'll be entertained. Can we get started?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. We're about to get it started.
You can pick.
I can pick? Ooh, I get to pick the map. Which one we want? Luigi's Mansion. I was gonna say, where are all our players at? Oh. Why am I player one? No. Disconnect. Okay. Now you have to push. There you go. There we go. All right. Hold on. We're gonna be the cool Link. Oh, you're just gonna be pink. Oh, pink. All right. Let's get it started and hot. Let's get it started. I'm Link. She's Kirby. Oh no. Go. Why do I keep jumping? Okay. Okay, bye, okay, bye, okay, bye, okay, bye, okay, bye. Okay.
That was stupid.
I didn't even realize what I did. I was a bullet. See, this is the shit I'm talking about. Okay. I hate when she does this. She's freaking blocked the whole time. No. What is that? I hate my life.
Oh, I'm gonna beat your ass.
No, you're not. What the freak? I can't even get a hit. Okay.
Ha!
Yep, you're about to win. That's awesome. See, you don't ever get to win.
I don't. You just beat my ass 5 seconds ago.
Damn it. No! Stupid.
Yeah, but I'm about to win.
That was just by
Stupid.
accident, you freak. Freaking booty hole. Get out. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Great. Great! Cheater! She's cheating. Okay, you're right. I'm stuck. Yeah, bye.
Stupid.
Yeah, bye.
Get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, bye. Okay, bye. What am my character doing, baby? There you go. No! Get out of here. I don't like Luigi. I can't even play. I'm not even facing
I'm gonna
the right
get
way.
your ass, bro.
I'm not even facing
I'm
the
gonna
right
get your ass.
I'm
I'm gonna get your ass.
No!
Get the fuck out of here.
No!
Yeah, get out of here.
Ass.
Yeah,
Oh,
now
okay.
I'm Link.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What the fuck? Come
Come
on, I
on,
gotta get at
Kirby.
least
Come on,
one
Kirby.
freaking
Come
kill.
on, Kirby. Come on,
Come
Kirby.
on! Get
Come on,
out of here
Kirby.
already!
Come on, Kirby. Don't touch me.
Yes!
Motherfucker.
About freaking time! About freaking time! I freaking got your ass and freaking shoosh. Go! Go! Let's go! No! Cheating.
Come on, come to me now.
Good. No! No, 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 no!
Get out of here. No one wants you here.
Yes!
Aha!
Do!
Let's go.
Oh, look how he's all happy now and all high energy now.
Yeah, I never win.
You better beat this character and make him join us. Since you're all power boy now.
Look how many knockouts I gave you.
Yeah, I gotta leave.
You suck. The fuck is this?
I think it's Wally.
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 That is not Wally.
Mm-hmm.
That is not Wally.
Yeah, it is.
Why is his name Wally then instead of Rob?
Oh, is it Rob? It said Rob? I'm tripping.
Where's he at? Hey, fucker.
You taking a minute to knock him out.
I can't get to him. Come on. Keeps coming fucking back.
Yeet. Go. Come on. He just keeps running away.
He keeps running away from me.
Yes. Aw. One more time.
He won't come to me.
There you go. Computers are pretty good about coming back.
Oh my god, come on. Thank God.
About time.
Fuck.
Huh?
I didn't feel like I deserved that.
ROB joined the battle. I don't like you.
I don't like me either.
Alright, now you pick the map.
Alright.
Albert. Albert! be somebody crazy for that.
Oh god, we thought we was like crazy.
Oh, you gotta change your thumb. Oh, I didn't know if you wanted to, but. Ew.
Gotta beat some ass.
I'm Ridley. She's Bowser.
I'm Bowser. How the fuck?
I won by default by accident!
Get the fuck out of here and win this shit.
Okay, great.
Oh, motherfucker. Motherfuck!
I don't even know what's going on half the time.
Yeah, it ain't even you.
Oh, okay. You can't just keep body slamming me.
I can do whatever I want. Motherfuck.
Okay. Okay, that was pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Damn. Yes!
Fuck. What are you saying? You aren't doing anything.
I was hitting you with the fireballs.
No, you weren't.
Yes, I was. It was me. I was
big
hitting-
ass dragon.
I'm doing it now.
You are not doing
Doing it now.
shit. What are you doing? Because you're not doing shit. It was literally all your other people defending you.
Shut up.
You want to act like
Def
you're
was
doing
fucking
something. No,
Get the
you
fuck
weren't.
out of here. I was definitely hitting you with the fucking fireballs.
You were not doing nothing.
I was hitting you with the fucking
No, you
fireballs.
weren't. It was your
Freaking annoying,
big ass
dude.
fucking dragon.
Okay, you happy now. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. You're so annoying. My controller doesn't work the way hers does. This is so stupid. Great. Love that. Great, 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 great. Love that. Freaking dying over here and I can't freaking do nothing about it. Like, it's so stupid.
Motherfucker. Ah!
That wasn't even a fair round because I didn't even know what was going on half the time. I feel like my controller does not work
That's
right.
what I'm saying. It wasn't
And-
her. It was her little teammates helping her out.
I did something. Y'all
She didn't
seen
do
it.
shit.
I did some shit. Yes, my teammates helped me out, but some shit I done did. Don't try to knock my
Y'all
talent.
seen it, guys.
Don't try to knock my talent.
And that's why I didn't even let you fight anybody because it was like she didn't even deserve to fight nobody.
Fight anybody because you're fighting nobody.
Exactly.
Yeah. Exactly. And get your butt kicked. Actually, no. Fucking Donkey Kong are pretty good.
Motherfucker.
We're not even fucking hitting each other. I'm freaking trying over here and I don't even know what I'm doing. Yes! Freaking out. I never even get to send her. Y'all don't even understand. I never even get this many hits in and she thinks I be winning all the time and I don't. Oh, love that. See what I'm talking about? Hang on.
Why won't it use the damn thing?
What the fuck? Okay. Okay, love that. Oh my god, 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 I'm gonna die. Okay, love my life. I just keep shooting all over the place. I can't even control my fucking character. What am I even doing? I got a bunch of bees all over me. I don't even know what's happening. I keep getting smacked in the air. Yep, still don't know what's happening. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, yep. So, not even hitting nothing, just dying over here. Okay. What the freak? Okay.
Haha! I died.
Oh. What? See, that's how much I don't know what's going on. I don't understand this. I really don't. I don't fucking get it. I don't understand. I don't know how to work this freaking character. Yep. Yep. Don't get it. Okay, see? How? I don't get it. Yep.
Right.
Okay, well that helps me out a little bit. Okay. I don't like this game anymore. I don't like this game anymore.
Yeah!
No! No! She's gonna get the hammer! She's gonna get the hammer! I got 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 the hammer! Send her ass! Send her ass! Send her ass! Send her ass! Send her ass!
Ha! She got the hammer and killed herself! As she should have! Look at me! You saw.
Storm, get your butthole out of the camera. Oh my goodness. I hate my life. This is stupid. This game is rigged.
And I get to fight somebody because they know I deserve that shit. Come on, boy.
Not to lose.
Don't you know the character? Just
No.
Side.
Actually, yeah, I like this character, so I needed to get him.
What is it?
Falcon Punch! Ooh, he almost took you out. There you go. There you go. Oh, he's done. You won.
Yay! I did that shit.
She did that. Storm, go lay down. Keep it in the camera.
Falco.
Falco joins the battle. Your turn. Come on. Can you get him to lay down over here or something?
Storm, lay down. Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Come lay down. Come on.
Storm, come on. Lay down.
He don't listen. Ever. I hate when she does this one. I'm gonna lose. I'm gonna lose! You just taking fat ass L's over here.
Ah. I understand. No.
What is going on? Oh, I have these characters.
What is all this shit? I don't understand.
Alright, I'm just gonna stand here until all this shit clears out. My god.
Again, it's never her. It's always her little helpers helping her because she can't just do it by herself.
Great. Yep, I'm dead. There you go.
Thank
Happy?
you. Yes.
Yeah.
Ah!
Killed yourself. What the fuck is this thing? That's it, one of your players. Ah! Great. I just keep getting blasted everywhere. Yep. I hate cheating ass shit. This fucking shit is annoying. Doesn't it ever go away? My gosh! I'm just getting bounced around like a freaking ping pong ball. This is stupid. Get out of here, dude. Oh my god.
Oh my god, it just died.
I'm too busy fighting your computer player over here. You're over here just killing yourself. I'm not even doing it. This dude's just launching me in there. When does he go away? Go away.
I just died. It's in.
Oh,
I died.
I won by default. Okay. We were fighting the computer the whole damn time. I don't even want the W. The game done played it for me. That was crazy.
I didn't know what was going on.
See, it ain't even knew I didn't even do nothing. That's why it don't let me play. It didn't let me get another character. Yeah, she knows. She know. I suck. Stu. My turn. Fucking stupid. It's always my maps too. Fucking.
I hate this one.
Ugh. Fucking God. Ugh. It's not even fun anymore because you keep losing.
I never win.
Okay, I just splattered on the screen.
Yeah, you should.
This is stupid. How do you hit me being a rock? Yes! About freaking time. Oh, shit. Great.
Yay.
How did I still get hurt by that? That was stupid. Yep. Oh man, this is not even fun no more.
Yeah.
Yes, about freaking time. my goodness, I'm so focused. I'm trying to freaking win. I can't win. I'm not even saying nothing. It's so intense, man.
I know, dude. I'm trying so hard not to lose. I can feel you on my ass cheeks.
My butthole clenching. Yes!
I could really pop you upside your
I know you could.
right
I
now.
felt you swing on my neck. I felt the air behind it. Oh, get the fuck! Stupid. No! That's stupid. That's why I don't get too cocky, because this is what happens.
I win!
She wins, and now she's gonna get a character because she did so good that she's gonna get to fight a character, and she's gonna get to add it to the collection because she's such a good player.
I feel a strong ass hater in the room. And it's you. You hungry?
I'm hungry. Don't be grabbing no cheeks, you just kick my ass. And you get a little challenger.
Are you gonna root for me and be my little cheerleader? You're like, go, baby, go. Oh, it's
I don't even understand what you said at first. You were slam on his ass like you do me. Cheating ass. There you go. There you go. Better be careful. Or you slam. There you go. Oh, no,
He
you
ain't coming
won.
back. I
He
got
ain't
it.
coming back.
Yay!
Ooh, 'cause she's that good.
Alright,
guys. She's already laughing because she knows she just whooped my ass in Super Smash Bros. So how do you feel? Because you complained the whole intro that you weren't going to win.
I feel great.
Oh, I think she feels great.
I feel great because that is the first time I've ever won like that. She always beats my
First
ass.
time ever. Okay. The last time we tried to film this, it got super intense because she won the entire time and I was getting mad. That's why we didn't post it. Because I was quiet.
I'm pretty sure you beat my ass.
I don't know. Guess we'll never know. But anyways, hope y'all like this
I
video.
guess we'll never know.
Guess we're going to end it off here.
We hope y'all enjoyed. We hope it was entertaining enough because I know there was times when we didn't talk, but it was because we were really focused on what was going on because she was trying to whoop my ass, I was trying to whoop her ass. Or we had multiple like little computer players against each other, so it was just a lot.
Yeah, it got really intense. Yeah. Hope you give it a like,
A comment,
a share,
and subscribe.
and make sure you hit that little ringly-dingly bell right here. Get all the
Yes,
notifications.
And we want to know if y'all like this video, like leave it in the comments because if y'all do like it, we want to do a Mario Kart version to it.
Yeah, so if you want to see a Mario Kart version, leave that down in the comments or any more like game videos and all that kind of stuff. We have all sorts of Switch games. So we'll be down to play for y'all whenever. See you next time, guys.
Bye guys.
Bye.
Don't give a fuck if you're involved, 'cause I'm bout it if you bout it. Yeah. Don't act like you are doing a favor, but honestly I swear you're my savior, girl. And I don't know if I'll see you later, so I'm bout it if you bout it.